A day after inducting 13 ministers into the Karnataka Cabinet, Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has allocated portfolios while retaining some of the government's most powerful departments. According to the official notification, Shivakumar will continue to handle finance, personal and administrative reforms along with all unallocated portfolios. Among the key assignments, Dr. GParameshwara has been given revenue and youth empowerment and sports, while Priyanka has been entrusted with the Home Department and will continue to oversee IT and biotechnology. Several senior ministers have retained their earlier portfolios. KJ George continues with energy and has also been given tourism. MP Patil retains industries. Satish Jarakoli continues with public works. KH Muniappa keeps food and civil supplies, and Sharan Prakash Patil remains in charge of medical education and skill development. Krishna Baidegowda has been assigned Bengaluru Urban Development. Bairathi Suresh gets transport. UT Khade takes charge of health. Yatindra Sidramaiah, son of former Chief Minister Sidramaiah, has been allocated urban development, and Ishwar Khandre will oversee rural development. The portfolio allocation has already sparked internal dissatisfaction. Senior leader Ramalinga Reddy, who was assigned the major and medium irrigation department, resigned from the cabinet the following day over unhappiness with the portfolio allocated to him.